Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And you know I get lost all the time and I need to ask for directions.
因为要去客家庄。
对对对，因为真的我对这个路真的不太熟。
还是有时候刚好碰到客家人。
哎，对，没错，想要 show off 一下自己的客家话又不行。
碰到跟阿公阿婆的时候，
阿公阿婆的时候问路都不行。So today we're going to go ahead and teach you how to get to a certain destination, whether you're walking or driving.
好。
For instance, a lot of people want to get to the train station, no matter where you are.
请问火车头要用的去？
火车头就是火车站。That's a train station. Okay. 请问火车头
要用的去？
要用的去 that means where? How do you get there?
要怎么走
Okay. So, the person's answer could be go straight and then turn left. 可能是要前面直直走，然后右转。
面前吃行右转。
好像要去吃什么东西了，面前吃一吃之后再走嘛，不是直直走是不是？
对。
面前就是
前面
就是前面，面前吃行 that means go straight
右转
and then turn right 右转 OK 那万一要左转呢？
左转
OK so whether you're turning right 右转 or turning left 左转So let's throw in a couple of more red lights. 我们现在再丢几个东西进去，更复杂一点，要不要？
好。
而且还会碰到2个红绿灯，再左转。那怎么说呢
？OK， 过两站。抢红灯。
要抢红灯哦？不可以啊，不能抢红灯啊！你为什么要抢红灯？
红绿灯。
抢红灯是红绿灯。Okay, I'm asking Alice. You have to pass by 2 traffic lights and then turn left. It gets a little complicated, so she's breaking it down for me. It sounds like running a red light, but it's not.
抢红灯。
Okay.
左转。
Okay, that means again the whole sentence: go by 2 red lights and then turn left.
过两站。抢红灯左转。
过两站抢红灯左转。There you go. And then you can get to the train station. 火车站。
火车头。
And you can take the train. 嘟嘟。
到了。
到了。
对啊。
好快哦。And go wherever you want. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.